Drivers were shocked when a baby boy was found crawling across a busy 4-lane street in Brigham City, Utah, after the mother put him in his crib before taking a rest. Lieutenant Dennis Vincent of the Brigham City Police Department explains to KSL-TV how the baby got out.
The baby was in the crib, and the younger sibling got the baby out of the crib and took the baby outside to play, and the baby somehow wandered out of the backyard.
According to the Standard Examiner, a driver spotted the baby boy around 5:45 p.m., called the police after rescuing him from the busy street, and returned him to his mother. It's not every day you see a baby crawling across the road, so it only makes sense that some drivers couldn't believe their eyes.
Police say the driver first thought it was a plastic bag on the road, but as soon as she realized it was a baby, she stopped the car and grabbed the 1-year-old boy.
KUTV adds police have contacted the Division of Child and Family Services, but they do not plan to cite the mother. For Newsy, I'm Jamal Andrus.